Welcome back to Golden Age Technology and our tour of TERI University's campus building in New Delhi, India. By utilizing innovative green conservation techniques, the building achieves annual energy savings of 40% compared with conventional buildings. Wastewater recycling and rainwater harvesting to recharge the local aquifer are also practiced. While passive measures help conserve energy within the building, an ingenious air conditioning system extracts cool air from underground via earth air tunnels, allowing a comfortable indoor climate to be maintained all year. Mr. Chibber gave a demonstration so that we might better understand this intelligent, innovative approach.
These are earth air tunnels which we have within this campus. The concept is that normally the earth temperature is 3 to 5 degrees less than what the temperature outside is. What we use through this earth air tunnel is that we have a suction system, a propeller down beneath, which sucks the air of the earth into this particular room. Now in this particular room we have this big filter where the air is then sent across into this filter. This filter, then through the AHU, there is another compressor which cools the air furthermore to another 3 to 4 degrees Celsius, which is then distributed within the building. So we will just give you a demonstration of this whole thing. I can just show you through my hanky. See the amount of air which is coming. This whole air is from deep inside the earth, and it's very cool air. You can feel the air also. And this whole air is basically going into this filter through an AHU. This filter is again cooling the air, and there's another compressor which further cools the air, and then it is sent across to all the rooms. So there's an atmosphere of cooling within this whole room. We are additionally pouring cold water into this particular filter. Now what happens is that the already 5-6 degree cold air again gets cooler by 2 to 3 degrees. And then we have a compressor which again cools it by 3 degrees. So you have from the start to the end a difference of almost like 6 to 9 degrees Celsius. So by the end it reaches the room, it is already a comfortable 22 degrees Celsius within the room.
Additional air conditioning is provided through a system of air ducts through which fresh air is taken from outside and then cooled before reaching the classrooms.
This is an air duct tunnel. This system is designed in such a way that this is a duct which has a chimney on top of it, and fresh air is loaded into that particular chimney and comes down here. These insulated walls are kept wet and cool throughout the day, and in the night this is closed so that there can be additional cooling. Then through this particular AHU we start the motor pumps, and the motor pumps additionally cool the whole surface of this air which is already blocked in, and this is then cooled up to an additional 3 to 4 degrees Celsius, and this whole air then goes right into these ducts, and these ducts, through these ducts it's transferred to the classrooms and other parts of the building.
To complete the air conditioning cycle, warm air from inside the building is removed.
Air exhausters, now what happens, these are switched on a particular time of the day to vent out hot air which has been accumulated in the building. These basically help additional cooling within the building, and they prevent the hot air circulating within the building. So there are various panels throughout the building.
In addition, TERI University employs smart means to maximize the use of sunlight and solar energy in areas other than classrooms.
To introduce an efficient lighting system within the parking lot area, the surface top area of the university, we've created halo ducts. These ducts have big windows in it, and these windows are sending direct sunlight into the parking area. This reduces the dependency of energy and power within the parking area. So these ducts, if you just look into them, you have a car parking inside, and these car parking areas do not use energy in any way during the daylight hours, and in the evening when there's no daylight, we use the solar energy to light up all these parking areas. So these ducts are at various points so that the parking area can be lit very well during the daytime. Every rooftop of TERI University and TERI has a solar component with it, and these solar panels as well as that solar water heater basically caters to all the needs of electricity and water heating within the hostel block of this particular building. Now every room is connected with an electricity through these solar panels as well as a water heating device. So this saves on a lot of energy.
Through comprehensive courses that focus on environmental protection and sustainable energy, TERI University is nurturing the minds and hearts of future Indian leaders and professionals, and lighting the way for other academic institutions to help create an ecologically responsible society on our beautiful planet Earth. Finally, we would like to convey our sincere thanks to Corporate Communications Manager Rajiv Chibber for taking time from his busy schedule to guide us through the TERI University campus. For more details on TERI University, please visit www.teriuniversity.ac.in. Thank you, blissful viewers, for your company today on Golden Age Technology. Next up is vegetarianism, the noble way of living, after noteworthy news. May the divine light of heaven bring peace and nobility to all beings.
For more details, please visit www.suprememastertv.com/GAT